Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show how to download Selenium IDE for Firefox browser. So you need to open this URL selenium.dev, Selenium IDE. I will be giving the link in the descriptions. So I have already opened Firefox browser. So in my previous video you can check for Chrome Selenium IDE. So now I'm going to download this Firefox download. So now add to Firefox. So now I need to click on this add. Okay, got it. So you can see the Selenium IDE symbol on Firefox browser. So I'm going to do some examples. Just clicking this. Okay, you can click and record a new text project. Project name we can keep it text, and I want to open the URL. So start recording. So it's already open. So here nothing has happened, but the recording button is already turned on. So maximizing it, I'm going to click some links here. Just click on this my YouTube video blog. So it should redirect to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to stop this, stop it. So here is the link. Actually it's clicked. So if you touch this if you click this link, you can see this target, and when you click right inside the target input field, you can see export link, export related. You can use all this in Selenium code. For example, I just want to use this export, so I'm gonna just copy this export, copy it. So I'm gonna use it in my Selenium script. So I need to change to Firefox driver. So it should open the URL. After opening the URL, right, driver dot find element by export. Within double quotes, I need to paste that export. So after that, I need to do some action start click. So now I'm gonna save this. Click and save it, and I'm gonna run this. It should work perfectly. So my Firefox browser is opening, and it should go to URL. Then it should move to, so it's clicking. It's redirected to my YouTube channel. This is the way you can use Selenium IDE on Firefox browser. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks and microphones. Thank you. Bye.